How to delete account on hotels.com. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can delete your account on hotels.com, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to go ahead and basically delete your account on hotels.com, it's actually very simple to do so. Just go to hotels.com and make sure that you're logged into the right account that you want to delete. After you've done that, just make sure to click your profile name from the top right and then just go to this option known as account. Once you come to account, you're gonna land on this page where what you need to do is just go to this option called settings, and as you come to the settings option here, you should be able to see all this, where under account management you'll find delete account. So now you can just click the delete account option, and then you'll be able to follow the on-screen instructions here. Select why you're leaving and so on, click on the submit option, and then you should be able to permanently delete your hotels.com account. This way you'll be able to delete your account on hotels.com. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.